Welcome back to Dynamic English. Today we're talking about phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are commonly used by native English speakers in everyday situations. Phrasal verbs can be found in movies, music, and television series. Phrasal verbs are formed when we combine a verb with a preposition. A verb is a word that shows action, such as run, speak, take, and go. A preposition is a word that expresses a relation to another word, usually indicating place or time. Some examples include in, at, on, after, up, and down. Okay, now we're ready to show you some phrasal verbs. Let's go. Ooh, it's cold. I need to put on my jacket. It's hot. I need to take off my jacket. Hey man, hurry up. We're gonna be late for our dynamic English class.
Hold on, man. Let me just check out Dynamic's Instagram account real quick.
Hey man, get up. What are you doing?
Oh no, I fell down. I don't know, man. Do you think this is a good spot?
Yeah, maybe more light.
Oh my gosh, shut up. We're trying to shoot a video here. It's kind of dark. You need to turn on the light. Oh, too much. You need to turn off the light. Phrasal verbs are so hard. I give up. Michael Jordan! Superstar! NBA! Hello?
Good evening.
Barack Obama, my man! Yeah, I think we're gonna need to put off lunch next week. Sorry, Mr. President. Okay, okay, yeah. My best to Michelle and the kids. I'm gonna hang up now.
As we speak,
Obama. No photos. No, not today. No, we're done. Get out. Get out. All right, guys, it's time to finish today's lesson up. If you're interested in taking classes, be sure to click on our website. If you like the content in this video, be sure to click the subscribe button. And what else?
You should say hit the like button or subscribe.
See, that's why I need this board. Hit the like button. If you're interested in taking classes, be sure to click the link in our website. No. See this right?
Just go to our website.
Okay. If you're interested in taking English classes, go to our website, dynamicenglish.cl. Subscribe! Subscribe! Subscribe!
yeah, you can do that.
Click the button! Like our page. No, that's not what I'm... What do they like and what do they subscribe to?
What?
They like the page?
So there's three things. But one, two of them you want to hit at the same time. You say, if you like the content of this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you're interested in classes, please go to our website, dynamicenglish.cl.
It's not full. If you like the content of this
So
channel...
I'm gonna leave this discussion.